Thanksgiving to those who celebrate it. Wouldn't even know that there's tequila in here. They make it with Patron.
Cheers to you guys and happy holidays.
Pretty good, huh?
I don't like it. Oh, worth it. I'm so glad we got it.
And they give you a little bit extra inside the shaker. How is it?
Wow. You're gonna love it because it's not fishy. You see the crispy? The light music is really good, right?
I thought it was actually piped in music from the original artist, but no, they're really good.
Thank you. This is my jam. This just looks amazing. And the music, oh, it's just bonus, you guys. Oh my goodness. That looks fantastic, you guys. So for years, everyone's been saying this. Have you tried the butter cake?
Never have. Till today, we'll see.
You can put it on your plate if you like, Dave.
Okay.
No, not the whipped cream.
Oh, I thought you were going to be
Let's see what Dave thinks about it.
Ah, how do you get in there and eat that? It's so huge. Uh-oh. All right. We'll do it that way.
All right, is it worth it?
It's pretty good.
So, it's not all hype?
No, it's actually really good. It's like not overly sweet, but it's like a perfect sweetness to it. It's like really buttery, of course. It's called butter cake. It's hot and not dry at all. And that's just by itself. All right, guys.
All right, guys, I've already had a bite. Oh my God, where's this been all my life?
So it's got some density to it, but once you put it in your mouth, it just kind of tends to melt. It's kind of incredible.
A little bit crunchy from the cake.
Oh, it's so decadent. This is definitely a shareable item.
Must get.
Yeah. For decades, I've been hearing people talk about butter cake. Now I know.
Yeah, we know.
It's worth the hype.
It is. I thought for sure, I'm like, it's all hype. There's no way. Oh my God.
It's one of the best things. Well, guys, thank you for watching. And Mastros is definitely a place to hit up during the holidays. If you don't like to cook or clean, this is the place to come.
And hey, hot tip of the day, make reservations early.
Absolutely, as early as possible.
We made reservations 2 weeks ago. The only time he's available was 3 o'clock.
So, make it a month in advance.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
Hi guys. So we just finished Mastros. This is a place to come for holidays. Hands down, they had live music. The food was absolutely wonderful.
Service impeccable.
So butter cake. We finally had butter cake. Now I know what the hype's about.
Yep.
It's not hype. It's literally the best.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. See you soon.